Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to withdraw crypto to fiat and send it to bank without excessive fees. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to withdraw your crypto fiat and send to bank without paying excessive fees, it's really simple. You need to withdraw crypto to fiat in your bank account and simply have it go. So first of all, for this, all you gotta do is simply go to Swap and Get. So once you are in your Swap and Get account, you can simply have your Swap and Get wallet address for each cryptocurrency and network with receiving bank account details. Now, from your wallet, you need to send the crypto you want to withdraw to provided wallet address. And once this is done, you are all set to withdraw crypto to fiat and send to bank without even paying excessive fees. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.